These 5 products are all going to blow up on TikTok right now. Millions of views, comments flooded, people tagging their friends. But here's the real question nobody's actually answering. Just because a product goes viral on TikTok, that doesn't mean you can actually make money selling it. The answer is not always. And that's the part most drop shipping videos leave out. So in this video, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to break down all 5 of these products using my 9 years of drop shipping experience. And I've sold over hundreds and thousands of products online and tell you actually which one I would bet real money on, which ones have the margin, the ad angle, and the audience to work, and which ones would actually burn your ad money in 48 hours. I'm also going to source every single one of them live through Teemdrop so you can see the exact cost, the shipping times, and the real margins. No guesses, no fluff. Let's get into it. Before we get into the products, here's the exact framework I use every time I look at a potential winner. 4 things have to line up. Number 1, does it sell itself in a 3-second clip? If you have to explain why someone needs it, it's already too much work for a cold audience. Number 2, is the margin there? I want to see at least a 3-to-1 markup after the product cost and shipping. This is the baseline. Number 3, is there an emotional trigger? Cozy vibes, wow factor, nostalgia, status. One of those has to be in the content because people buy on emotion and justify with logic. Number 4, is it easy to ship? Light, small, and not fragile. If it breaks in transit, your return rate kills the whole operation. Every product in this video gets scored on those 4 things. And at the end, I'll tell you the one I actually run with. Product 1, the acrylic rose desk decoration. If you've been on the aesthetic side of TikTok lately, the desk tours, the study with me content, the romanticize your space videos, you've seen those. A flat printed acrylic rose that sits on your desk and catches the light. Comment sections are full of, where is this from? Let me run you through this framework. 3-second sell? Absolutely. It's a visual object. You set it on a desk and the camera pans, done. Margin, let me pull up the Teemdrop right now. The unit cost is $1.76 to $1.85. Shipping to the US is $5.64. Landed cost, $7.40. Realistic Shopify sale price, $24.99 to $29.99. That's roughly a 3.3 to 4x markup per sale. Comfortable room to run ads. Emotional trigger, gifting energy. Mother's Day, Valentine's, just because gifts. That's the angle. Ease of shipping, small, light at 95 grams. Ships in an OPP bag, easy. My honest read on this one, it's a legit contender. The concern is the saturation of the floral and rose products heading into the spring gifting season. Every new store is going to want to try something in this category. If you're going to run it, your creative has to lean hard into the gift angle, not the aesthetic angle. The aesthetic angle is crowded. The dad trying to find a Mother's Day gift at 11 p.m. angle is wide open. That's the difference between winning and losing on this one. Product 2, the soft leather cloud shoulder bag. This is the bag shape that took over every fashion TikTok in the last few months. That puffy, pillow-like cloud silhouette. 4 colors, 2 sizes, magnetic clasp, PU leather, frame breakdown. 3-second sale, yes. You put it on a model, she walks. The bag moves like it's made of air. That's the ad. Margin, let me check Teemdrop. The unit costs $8.59 to $10.25. Shipping, $10.96. Landed cost, roughly $19.55. Shopify sale price, $39.99 to $49.99. That gives us $20 to $30 of gross margin per sale, tighter multiply than the rose. But the higher ticket means more room to scale ads. Emotional trigger, inspirational style, I look put together. That's the angle that converts fashion buyers. Ease of shipping, 500 grams, so heavier than most products in this video. Shipping fee eats a bigger chunk, not fragile though, so the return rate should be fine. My read on this one, it's a winner if you nail the creative, but here's the catch. Fashion trends turn fast. The cloud bag is hot right now. 6 months from now, it might be done. It's not a seasonal product. It's a trend cycle product, which actually is riskier. If you're going to run it right now, don't wait. Not long-term profile product, a right now banger. Product 3, the ceramic roller comb. I was tempted to rank this higher going in. It is a legitimate, useful product. The demo is satisfying. You run it through hair, you get volume and curl. Done. And that's exactly the problem. Framework check. 3-second sell, yes. The before and after hair demo sells itself. Margin, let me source it. So the unit cost $1.80 to $2.20. Shipping, $5.39. Landed cost, $7.19. Shopify sale price realistically between $19.99 to $24.99. That's a 2.7 to 3.4x markup. Not bad on paper. Emotional trigger, vanity and self-improvement, salon hair at home, strong angle, ease of shipping, 106 grams, small, not fragile, solid. But here's why I pass on this one. Walk into any Target or Walmart or CVS beauty aisle, you'll find a version of this for $8.99 brand new, sitting on the shelf. Amazon has like 400 versions starting at $6. The moment a customer sees your ad, they are cross-checking, and if they find it cheaper and faster at Walmart, you lose the sale every single time. Rule of thumb in 2026, if your customer can grab it at Walmart tomorrow, don't drop ship it. This one I'll pass on. Not because it can't sell, but because the margin war will bleed you out. Product 4, the Sweet Bird Hydrating Lip Gloss with Mirror Shine. 4 shades, clear, cherry red, coral rose, baby pink, moisturizing formula, non-sticky, mirror finish. Basically, every beauty TikTok creator has done a version of this review in the last year. Framework check. 3-second sell, yes. Lip application shot with the gloss catching light. Classic beauty ad. Margin, let's source it through Teemdrop. The unit cost $1.64. Shipping, $5.55. Landed cost, $7.19. Sale price, $14.99 to $19.99. Or a bundle 3 shade for $24.99. That's a healthy 2 to 3.5x depending on how you price it. Emotional trigger, femininity, self-care. This is my signature. Huge. Ease of shipping, 52 grams. Tiny, but here's the catch. It's classified as a sensitive shipment because it's a liquid. Estimated between 12 to 18 days to arrival in the US. That's long. Here's the deeper issue. Beauty is the most saturated category in dropshipping right now. The ad creative bar for lip gloss is insane. You're competing against sellers who've been refining their hooks on this exact product type for years. For a new seller, brutal entry point. For someone with an established beauty brain and a warm audience, different conversation. Bundle it in. As a standalone one product store test, I'll rank this 4th out of 5. Product number 5, the long-lasting freshness Under Armour deodorant stick. Now this one is different. It's one I'm genuinely excited about. Here's what makes this product interesting. Every other product in this video is an object, a thing you buy once. This one is a consumable. 3 variants. White for sensitive skin, black for deep skin, and a black and white combo. 75 grams, glycerin-based seaweed fragrance. 3-year shelf life, framework check, 3-second sell, yes. The switch to aluminum free and never going back angle, problem solution content built into the product. Margin, let me source it. Unit cost $2.99 to $5.30. Shipping $7.39. Landed cost $10.38. Shopify sale price $24.99 to $29.99. Or even better, a 3-pack bundle at $59.99. That's a 2.4 to 2.9x on a single sell. And more importantly, repeat purchase revenue on every customer, emotional trigger, health consciousness, confidence. What I put on my body matters. That maps directly into a clean beauty TikTok, the wellness community, and the natural living audiences, all massive in 2026. Ease of shipping, 180 grams, a solid stick form, not fragile. Easy. This is the one I bet real money on, and here's why it beats every other product in this video. It's less saturated than beauty. It solves a recurring real life problem, not just an aesthetic one. And it's because it's a consumable. Your customer acquisition cost gets immortalized over multiple purchases. This secret meta unlock for making meta ads profitable in 2026. You're not trying to make money on the first sale. You're trying to get a customer who reorders every 45 days. That's fundamentally a different economic model for every other product in this video. Remember this one. We are coming back to it. Quick thing I want to call out before I give you my final verdict. You just watched me source all 5 of these products through Teemdrop in real time. No waiting, no subscription fee blocking me from seeing the real costs, no upgrade to access this supplier. Nonsense. That's the exact reason I use Teemdrop for product research. When we are testing a product idea, the last thing you want is a platform charging you $50 a month just to look around. Teemdrop is free, 0 monthly fee, real cost visibly immediately. Link is in the description if you want to do this kind of research on your own products. All right, final ranking. Worst bet to best bet. 5th place, the ceramic roller comb. Good product, but the margin war with Walmart, Target, and Amazon makes it a losing battle for a new seller. You'll be fighting for crumbs. 4th place, the lip gloss. Great product, real demand. The ad creative bar in beauty is so high that a new seller will burn through budget before they crack it. Pros only. 3rd place, the cloud shoulder bag. Strong visual, good margins at a higher ticket. Only thing that's holding it back is that it's riding a fashion trend cycle. Those turn fast. If you can launch it in the next 30 days, it could pop. Wait too long and you'll be selling yesterday's trend. 2nd place, the acrylic rose desktop decoration. The best margin multiple in the test. Easy to ship, strong gifting angle, heading into Mother's Day. The only reason it's not number 1 is that it's one and done purchase with no repeat revenue. And the product I'd actually bet on, number 1, the underarm deodorant stick. Here's why. It's a consumable, repeat purchases. That means every customer you acquire keeps paying you back. 45, 90, 180 days out, your customer acquisition cost stops being a ceiling and starts being an investment. The audience is specific. Clean beauty, wellness, aluminum free, and all those communities have serious buying power and serious loyalty. The emotional trigger is real. It's not, this looks cool. It's, this is better for my body. That converts. And the margin, even with the higher landed costs, works, especially on a 3-pack or a subscription. If I was launching a product test this month, this one I'd run with. So here's what I'm going to do. I just told you on camera that the Under Armour deodorant stick is the one I bet on. Now I have to back that up. Next video, I'm actually running the test. Real Shopify store, real ad budget, real sales numbers. I'm going to take this product, build the store around it through Teemdrop, run meta ads for a full week, and come back with the honest results. Did my predictions hold up or did I completely miss something? You'll find out in the next video. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And if this breakdown helped you think about product research a little differently, drop a like. It generally helps out this video reach more people who need this stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.